In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make your text move in CapCut for PC. If you want to make your text move across the screen, whether it's from left to right, top to bottom, or in any other direction, just follow my steps because it's really simple. First, add the text to your video. I'm going to do that now. You can write anything you need for your project. I'll write the eagle. After adding the text, feel free to adjust the font size and color to your preference. Now, let's add some movement to our text. Drag the playhead to the beginning of your text layer, as that's when we want the text to start moving. On the middle of the screen, you'll see the small diamond-shaped button called Keyframes. Tap on it to add the first keyframe to your text. Next, move the playhead a few seconds forward or to the part of the video where you want the text to stop moving. I want my text to end up in the bottom right corner of the screen, so I'll drag the text there. When you do this, the second keyframe will be added automatically. You'll see it marked by a little diamond icon in the text layer. Now, if you play the video, you'll see the text moving from the top left to the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to add moving effect to the animation, simply click on the graphs icon next to the keyframes icon. You can choose any animation style that fit your desire. And look at the final result. And that's how you can easily make your text move in CapCut for PC. If you want more CapCut tutorial videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.